I'm Jon Scott, Senior Product Manager for Adhesives at LATICRETE. I'd like to tell you about 254 Platinum Plus, our newest high-performance lightweight adhesive. 254 Platinum Plus is a lightweight, upgraded version of our industry-leading 254 Platinum. 254 Platinum has developed a large fan base over many years, and it will still be available. The new 254 Platinum Plus, however, offers all the performance of 254 Platinum with some significant additional benefits. The new lightweight formula is half the weight of a traditional Thinset, so a 25-pound bag offers the same coverage as 50 pounds. The lighter weight reduces stress on your joints and your whole musculoskeletal system, especially your knees and your back. Wouldn't it be nice to cut that weight in half? Your body will certainly appreciate it. The new Nonsanded formula of 254 Platinum Plus has a super smooth and creamy consistency that's very easy to trowel and contains no respirable crystalline silica levels that exceed the OSHA action level. Finally, 254 Platinum Plus offers an even longer open time, an incredible 60 minutes, providing maximum time to install your tile and ensure a great bond. Of course, like 254 Platinum, 254 Platinum Plus is a high-performance product. It provides incredible bond strength, exceeding ANSI A11815, the industry's highest performance standard for a cementitious-based adhesive mortar, and a proven ability to handle the most challenging installations, including submerged applications. And 254 Platinum Plus is included in a LATICRETE lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind for a trouble-free installation. This new adhesive not only does it all, it makes it easier and safer too. To learn more about this great new product, visit laticrete.com or speak with your LATICRETE sales rep.